Welcome to room 404 at the Rest Bugis Hotel here in Singapore. Let's go on a room tour. So we are here in the entry to the room. Full length mirror to start with. Unfortunately though, a bit tricky. You can get a full view, but it's a little bit tight. You're back against the hall here. A bit different this room tour because today Dev's behind the camera and I'm
Here's the camera work. We'll see how we go.
So we've got some hanging space here when you first come in. It is lit as well, and then below it there is a little cooler box fridge down there.
Very cute.
Yeah, very easy to get some stuff hung up and sorted, depending on how long you're here. Now you do have your master light switch as well, air conditioning. Now we found the air conditioning, when we first got in the room, air conditioning cuts out, it's controlled. You've got to have your key card in, as you do in a lot of hotels. Once that was running for a little while though, we turned it right down and it got very, very cold in here. There's a lot of condensation on the walls, so you'll see that.
Normally I have the blankets off every night. I actually had them on last night. It was lovely.
So that's, I should say windows, not the walls, the condensation. Yeah, the bathroom. It's quite a decent sized bathroom. Let's come in here. There is a little bit of a step down. Nice large backlit mirror again. Very modern sort of tap fittings. Looks quite nice. Small basin, not a lot of shelf space going on here, but all the same, really nice that they do provide you with all your amenities, dental kits. So you got there was 2 sets of these toothbrush and toothpaste sets, a couple of little vanity kits and a travel comb as well. Oh yeah, we have to grab that. So very handy. Large, clean, very clean toilet, towel rack, and then behind the door here, a very, very large shower. It is, isn't it? So, like you can see here, I can do the chicken wing dance that we do in our videos to test them out. So, yeah, quite a large shower. Dual head. Yeah. So you've got the removable head that you can get around and rinse off with, and a rainfall shower head as well. And it was digital too. Digital display. It's got levers on it. I'm not going to press them. You push them down. Not now. Just here, temperature control setting. Look, water pressure was fine. Didn't have any issues at all with the temperature there. No, not at all. So, and you can actually operate both the heads, shower heads at the same time. Now, just inside there is power as well for your shaver. So US Euro style 110 220 volt. There's also some power points just here at the front door too. Now there is plenty of power points in this room. So just near the front door is your first one as you come in. Then when you come past, I'll just move these bags out of the way. You've got a couple more power points just down here on the ground. And then we're going to get to a whole bunch more in a moment. Now the room is not huge. It is not a big room at all. There is a long bench here. You can sit very narrow, but you can sit here if you needed to. Maybe you were doing makeup, but there's no mirror. Little coffee pot, so you can do tea and coffee. They supply tea and coffee. You've got tissues there, a little jar of water. So this is all provided. Huge amount of power points. So you've got, now these are great. So there's 4 power points here, and these are the multi-international. So we're able to plug our Australian plugs straight into those. You can put the US, Euro, anywhere in the world, you'll be able to plug into one of those. So no matter where you're from. Now on this shelving unit as well, a couple of other features. If I just take a seat down here for a moment, in here we've got, although it's not really secured down, a safe for your room. There is a hairdryer here. It's all wrapped up as well, ready to go should you need it. And very lovely of them. They also provide some bath slippers.
That's it.
So we did book this room. It is a balcony room, and we'll jump out there in a moment. You may have noticed already there's no TV. What they do have here, though, is a projector that's mounted up on the wall. And
up there.
That actually shines across.
Ooh, that's a bit bright, isn't it?
It gets a bit bright. And then you can see here you've got all your apps that you can log into.
But yeah.
Bring it over here, Dib.
Mind you, we watched our own YouTube on this last night, and we're like, oh my god, the lighting's terrible. But we're hoping it was just because it was in a projector.
Yeah, so if we actually turn off wherever that switch is gone, master switch.
Yeah.
There you go. So you can see there. I've got the curtains open at the moment as well, but they yeah. So you've got a big projector screen in here, projects up on the wall, and that's that. I'll get these lights turned back on. Turn that off. Power off. Okay. So the bed itself, very, very it's queen size ish.
Is it?
Maybe double. It's up against the wall, so I was sleeping up against the wall last night. Deb was over on this side here. You've got another power point beside the bed.
How'd you find the bed first before you move off the bed?
Yeah, look, we were pretty tired yesterday, so I kind of just slept in the end.
I mean, it's firm. It's not any kind of plush, but I don't mind a firmer bed, but I just didn't sleep. I don't think it feels uncomfortable.
No, I agree. So,
firm. Those squishy pillows.
Squishy pillows, firm bed. Maybe that's where the balance is. So yeah, the bed, it's cowered into the corner, but it works. It was okay. Yep. Do be mindful of that though if you do have accessibility concerns. This may be a bit tricky for you. Now, yeah, we've got master switch and mood lighting switches for the lighting over here. There's a phone for the room. You've also got further instructions about when housekeeping occurs and the swimming pool. And then, come in here, excuse us, you'll see you might be able to see the condensation on the windows from the air conditioning last night. And it's a little bit damp out here. It's a bit steamy too. My glasses are going to fog up.
Ooh, that's steamy. We haven't been out here yet this morning.
So here we are on the balcony. There's 2 chairs out here. This is Victoria Street down below us here in Singapore at Bugis Street, in Bugis. So from here, we are actually located pretty much in the middle of 2 MRT stations. So we can access the train, the mass rapid public transport here, and get around very, very quickly if we want to. Plenty of buses as well running down below. Bus station just up the road there, bus station just down the road there. 1 block over, there's a whole lot of other bus routes. So it really is quite a convenient location. The room is very clean, the air conditioning works, shower's hot, and it works well.
And last night, we literally walked 5 minutes down the road and had a good feed.
We did.
Didn't we? And I was just going to say, beside us here is the pool. Oh, there's somebody in there, so no, we're not filming that. Yeah, there's a pool here on deck 4 as well. So I think it's the same person who was in there till close last night.
Probably. So, right. Deb, what are your thoughts on this hotel and this location?
Look, to be honest, I mean, we paid $189 for the night. I wasn't expecting...
Australian,
yeah. I wasn't expecting a lot. I expect something decent, but nothing glamorous. And to be honest, this was great.
It's exceeded the expectations.
For $189, I barely expected a bed, let alone tea and coffee and all that sort of stuff. So.
And as I said, very reasonably located in terms of access to transport to get around places. It's probably about a 10-15 minute cab ride for us. to the cruise terminal we were going to
and
next.
it was 17 minutes from the airport last night.
So nice and easy to get to.
Recommend?
Highly recommended.
All right, so I'm saying thumbs up.
I'm saying thumbs up too. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hit that notification bell. We really appreciate it when you do. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.